Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream home that is nestled in the highly sought after community of Bridgemount, Kingston 8. This expansive 5-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom residence offers an unparalleled combination of space, comfort, and a great canvas to transform into your dream home. Set on almost half-acre of lushly landscaped grounds. This 4,200 square feet home is designed with family living in mind. The expansive yard provides ample space for outdoor activities, relaxation, or hosting gatherings. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise in one of Jamaica's most desirable neighborhoods. Schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 115 million or US $736.3 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.